Hello, and today we are gonna be making no. First, you need, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, how do you get this out of here? Ah! Okay, that didn't work. But okay, this is kind of messy. So if you have marshmallow cream, a big thing of it, then use it. If you don't, you can get Harmon's. So you get a graham cracker. I'm not gonna actually make another one because I'm not gonna actually eat this one because I'm getting gummy bears for my dessert. So you take your graham cracker, you put your marshmallow cream on it, and then let's see, which one did I put on it? Oh, right, this one. So I can just mix that together, and then you're gonna put some nutella. Okay, that's just breaking more. And put it on there. And then after that, you're gonna put some cookie butter. And then, okay, where did this one go? Then you're gonna put this on top of the cookie butter. So you're gonna put some more marshmallow cream on there. Put 6 marshmallows on there. And then put Nutella.
Alexa, stop.
On the marshmallow. And then you stick this part on. And then... Okay, that's it. Bye!